Yes, this unit. Hey guys, my name is Donita and welcome to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. And if this is your very first time here, please let me know in the comments below how you found my channel. On this channel, I do clothing hauls, black love, travel vlogs, and of course my main wig reviews. But before we get into everything, you guys, I want to address a couple things, okay? So a lot of the time I get a lot of positivity in the comment section and I be appreciating it. And every now and then I will get some hate comments. And you guys, some of y'all just be saying some off the wall stuff. Like in my comments, well, in my videos, I talk about the unit, I talk about the length, I talk about the cap size, the color, you know, where I got it from, where you can find it. I give as many details as possible as I can think of while I'm recording for you guys to have easy access to the unit. It takes me about maybe 2 hours to record. I live in New Jersey. I live in a tiny apartment. I have to set up my equipment every single time I film. I have to do my makeup every single time I film. I sacrifice 2 hours every time I'm putting on a wig to show you guys. And then I have to break down. I have to clean up. And you know, that's not your problem. That's me. This is what I chose to do, right? So if you're going to take the time to ask me a question about something that I already spoke about in this video, I'm not going to be responding. I'm not responding because I most likely already talked about it in the comments. So I'm just letting you know right now. Sometimes people be like, oh, where did you get it from? Or who sent it to you? Or, you know, what color is it? All of that information is in the description box below. There is a little arrow. I'm flipped, so I can't remember what side it's on, but I know looking at a computer or at your phone, it's on the right side of the screen. This is my right, so flipped, I'm sure it's over here. It's on the right side. There's a little arrow. You click on it. It has all the details in there of the unit. So please, you guys, watch the video. You can sacrifice 10 minutes of your life to pay attention, okay? Also, a lot of people have parasocial relationships with celebrities and influencers. You know who we are, but we don't know who you are. You guys see a tiny little glimpse of our lives, and like, it's the audacity for me. Some of y'all think y'all can just talk to people any old kind of way, or like, you know this person. Like, no, you don't know me, ma'am or sir. You don't know me. So watch how you talk to me, okay? I'm sensitive, I'm a human being, and I have a smart mouth too. So before we jump into this video, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and a notification bell so you can get reminders every time I post a video, and we're gonna be right back. y'all. Okay, so fun fact about this wig. Okay, this is Outre's Sleeklay part wig. Thank you, Outre, for kindly sending me this unit, okay? And you guys, it's so funny. When I recorded the very first Sleeklay part wig, my girl, Miss Chrissy, in the video, I said this is my favorite collection from Outre. And she said, oh, I'm gonna have to try them. And I laughed to myself because it was my first time trying them in that video, and I knew immediately this would be my favorite collection from them. They have the melted hairline collection, the lace front wig collection. Like, they have a couple collections, but the Sleeklay part is my favorite collection from Outre. Outre, however you like to pronounce it. But thank you so much for sending me this wig. It is from their Sleeklay part collection. It's in the style, okay. Y'all, these names, they're just getting trickier and trickier. Adelaide, I think that's how you pronounce it. Here is the spelling of it. Don't judge me because, y'all, I'm a numbers girl. I'm a math girl. Like, that's what I'm good at. Pronouncing stuff, it take me a little second because I'd be like, what the heck is this? But this is what the stock card is looking like. I got it in the color 2. It is 30 inches. If you come in my comments asking me how many inches this is, I'm coming after you. I'm not going to respond. It's 30 inches. It's the color 2. It's from their Sleeklay part wig collection. This is what the unit is looking like. The stock card, it's beautiful. And this is what the back of the stock card is looking like. They do come in a bunch of other specialty colors. So the nice part about this Sleeklay part is that it's a flat lace finish. It lays flatter and it lays better. And I agree. If you are not new to my channel, then you know I love me some plop and goes. On this channel, I cater to the lazy wig wearer, okay? I love me some plop and goes. So the only thing that I did was I mixed my 2 foundations, well, my pressed powder and foundation. This is Fenty Beauty in the color 420, and this is MAC in the color dark brown. I can't remember. The thing is gone on the back. So I mixed these 2 colors together. I used a little brush. I went in along the part. I also used this brush and went in along the hairline, and that was it. It's a nice, secure fit, so it's not moving around. I didn't put the combs in here for extra secureness. I didn't have to do that. But this unit is everything, and I cannot wait because I'm going to be wearing this on New Year's, okay? So the cap size is definitely big hip friendly. I will say that it does have 2 combs on the side, a comb in the back, adjustable straps back there as well. As far as tangling and shedding, I have not had that experience with this unit. I mean, I haven't brushed it out. I don't like to brush out my curls because I like to keep my wigs as long as possible. So I don't plan on brushing this wig out anytime soon. I know a lot of people do like to brush their units out, but it's a synthetic wig. It's not meant to last that long. So if I can keep it longer, then I will not touch it, okay? It is heat safe up to 400 degrees. It has heat resistant fibers. And some of the key features is that it has a wider hand-tied lace part, extra hand-tied lace edges, pre-plucked hairline, humpless, which is true because I have twist under my hair, and typically when I go in and I do my videos, I take my twist out and I'll put cornrows in just so it can lay flatter, and I didn't have to take my twist out, you guys. This unit is laying flat on my head. It has natural baby hairs, and it's heat friendly. And it does have a photo of a regular part and a Sleeklay part, which I really like. And yes, I'm feeling all 30 inches of this unit, okay? I almost wish I would have got this color. I almost wish I would have got this unit in the color Amber Blonde. That's the color that the girl is wearing on the stock card. Oh, but I've been reviewing matte browns and chocolates from Outre, but I was like, let me try just a regular 2. I like this unit, you guys. This unit is everything. It was easy. Look at that parting. Look at that parting. Yes. Woman. But overall, you guys, that's pretty much it. I believe I covered everything. If I didn't, feel free to ask me some questions in the comments below. I hope you guys enjoy this video. It is free to support, okay? It is free. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can get reminders every time I post a video. And let me know what you guys are doing for New Year's. My husband and I, we're just gonna go out to eat. I wanna get cute, I wanna get dressed up. It's COVID central here in New Jersey, New York. I'm a little bummed out because I kind of wanted to go see the tree and maybe go ice skating, and we haven't done that in the past 2 years. So yeah, everything's shutting back down in New York, so I'm a little bummed, but we're definitely going to go out to eat. I want to get cute, I want to take some photos, so I'm excited for that. If you don't already, follow me on Instagram at Dawnita_P as in Paul. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys have a safe holiday. Stay safe out there, wear your mask, and have a good rest of the year. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next year. Namaste.